River Valley Co-op's new online shopping platform for curbside pickup has officially arrived. So that might have you wondering, just how does it all work? We'll help guide you through the process so that you'll be ordering curbside in no time. The first thing you'll want to do is go to our website, rivervalley.coop. Then click Shop Us, then Curbside Pickup in the side menu. Click Enter Web Cart. Now that you've reached the online shopping homepage, go to Login/Register at the top corner of the screen. From there, hit Register, then create a username and password. Next, open your email. You should have received a verification link. Click that or copy and paste the verification code into the open window. Now that you're successfully registered and signed in, you're ready to place your first curbside pickup order. When you see a product you're interested in, just hit Add to Cart. From the main page, you can browse each department by category. Once you've selected all the items you need, now you're ready to check out. Click Shopping Cart at the top corner. Feel free to review your items. Then when you're ready, click Order Now. From the checkout screen, type in the same information you used when you signed up, then click Continue. Select Curbside Pickup, then enter the date and time you want to come get your order. After reviewing your cart one last time, click Confirm Order. You're all set. Now it's our turn to do the shopping for you. Simply arrive to the co-op on your chosen date and time, park in our curbside pickup area, and a staff member will head outside to greet you. Please remember to bring your confirmation number or scan code with you at the time of pickup. Thank you for choosing to shop your local co-op. Our curbside staff are eager to see you soon.